This morning, before the Florida heat takes over, I'm trimming up some areas that I typically have to really raise the mower deck up on my zero turn to go over, using the DR Beaver Blade on an old DR string trimmer that I converted to a mini stump grinder, I guess, even though it's designed to cut down saplings. Again, I lubricate it with PB Blaster Surface Shield before each use. Just spray it down. See that? Of course, I did this one. Some more here. And here. This will definitely save you lawnmower blades